Aric Fishman with Outdoor Skills and Thrills. I'm a rock and ice climbing guide in Thunder Bay in northwestern Ontario. I take people out on rock and ice climbing adventures, guided courses, outings, clinics, people who have never been out before, never tried it, even really scared to try it, all the way up to really technical, multiple day courses. The education is actually huge, and that's why skills comes before thrills. There's been a pretty good history of climbing in this region. An astounding number of cliffs to climb on. Having already traveled and being a climber in different regions, I saw that this place was unique and special. It's one of these areas that people actually travel to for the ice climbing. But I didn't notice that people were doing that for the rock. I think a big part of it was a lack of information before. Now people are able to actually see where to go, what to do, what's within their capabilities. And also it really does showcase this region's climbing. It does help quite a bit having written a book about Thunder Bay climbing, because people love hearing the fact that they're being guided by somebody who is so knowledgeable about this region. So at the beginning, I kind of just put myself out there to the local region, getting word of mouth out there, and that kind of started spreading. It's been a learning process to figure out exactly what I need to do to actually extend that reach, and also to make myself as credible as possible. Figuring out where I need to put my business, the name of it, the imagery, the reviews, that was definitely an evolution. I created my website sort of the way that I envision my company is, so very visual. They can see testimonials, videos, a lot of explanation. I showcase all of my outings on a nice displayed calendar. What people can easily do then is just click on those dates and sign up for those specific outings. It's a really easy process. The ability to just click and buy now. That's translated into a good number of sales. I also have a longer process as well for those who want to pick up the phone, want to email back and forth, get a better sense of what they're getting into, and then do a full registration process that way. So it's kind of tailoring to everybody. Having the ability to do credit card payments, with most people paying online, a simple payment definitely helps fluidity of business. What then happens is I give them an information package, which is a nice big document that has all the information that anyone could ever want to know. Here's where we're gonna meet, here's how you get there, the GPS coordinates, what they're gonna be doing once they arrive. So that actually translates quite a bit into the confidence of the client. So not only do I try my very best to prepare them ahead of time, I always have backup equipment, because I know that that could make or break somebody's experience. Being prepared for people who come unprepared is very important. I try to keep a good open line of communication with the people that I take out, before, during, and after the outings. Smartphones these days truly are an integral part of the way that you can do business on the go. People these days, I find, are less prone to picking up the phone and calling. So if you can't read that Facebook message or that email while you're out in the field waiting for them, they might not ever find you. So having that tool in your pocket to be able to post things when you can, to be able to answer emails when you can, that's been really important. I love taking beautiful pictures of people climbing, using those images to then showcase how awesome the programs are and how awesome this region is, being able to capture that and then post it online for them to see and experience and share with their friends. It all ties together. High quality imagery, a high quality website, high quality videos, high quality climbing. Credibility is quite valuable in this type of a field. When one person talks to somebody else about their experience, that can easily translate to you being the guide. And I've never had anything but a 5-star review, which makes me feel amazing, because I know that that's the quality of programming that I'm giving. I'm leaving people with a sense of confidence, with a sense of having a great experience. So they then tell people that they should be going out with Aric of Outdoor Skills and Thrills.
Take the time to review how your visitors are using technology. Are you investing in the right tools, the right platforms, the right sales points to reach your visitor? Take the time, you'll be positioned well for the future.